So today, we're gonna do the legendary multi-apping, Instacart and DoorDash, starting our day off at McDonald's, 5 a.m. DoorDash. Let's get it.
What can I help you?
Hi, how you doing? I'm a Dasher.
Sure, last one then please, thank you.
You got it, buddy. See you soon. How you doing, brother? Hold on. My man, you were just on point, man. I wasn't even ready yet. Yo, I like you, bro. Yeah, H-E, correct?
Yes, of course.
Hey, you the man, bro. I'm coming back to this McDonald's.
Okay.
You too, brother. Jeez, y'all see that? Y'all see the way this morning started? Shit, I couldn't even get my window down. That man had to order like this. Take it, bro. Take it, bro. Shoot. Good morning. Team, run it up. Let's get it.
One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones, and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it. We left it.
All right, fam. So we just dropped that order off, which was kind of sketchy. The guy came running from behind the house with his phone out, like, "Yo, it's my order." I'm like, "All right." I couldn't even get the camera out in time. But yeah, we just got another order at the same McDonald's, $5. Hello?
Look, last window please.
Oh, you already knew I was here this time.
Yeah.
Wow, bro. You're amazing, bro. This man already knew I was here this time. What's up with this McDonald's?
What was the number now?
No.
I have 2 orders now.
Oh my goodness, my bro. You are something else, brother. You are something else, bro. Hold on, let me see. This one is 803.
803.
This man.
Yeah,
That's cool. That's cool, man. Man, I don't know how you do it.
Oh yeah. Do you want to drink something?
No, I'm fine, brother. You the man, bro. You the man. I'm patient. I'm patient for you. You the man. I'm chilling. My man just offered me something to drink for free. Yeah, I like him. He cool, man. My man. Yo, hey, are you the manager?
Yes.
Bro, no wonder why you the manager, bro. This should be your franchise. This you should own this one.
I need you like I need air to breathe. I need you to save me from me. I'm cutting your wave, I'm drifting.
How you doing, buddy? I'm a Dasher.
Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown.
Here is the game plan. We already ran it up. We made $19 in that first 45 minutes. Wasn't even really an hour. Instacart's about to drop though. So what we're doing now, we're waiting outside of Wegmans right now at 5:41. They drop at 6 o'clock. Well, they drop really at like 5:50, 5:55 maybe. So I'm just refreshing. Also, just in case the drop is garbage, I'm gonna schedule a DoorDash for 6 a.m. until whenever. So just in case, right? So we multi-apping right now, but we waiting for that banger. We might get that hundo banger this morning, so we're gonna see what's popping with Instacart. Let's get it. All right, fam, so the Instacart drop was a bust. How you doing? I'm a Dasher. The Instacart drop was a bust. So, Deanna W. It's just this, that's it? That's it? All right, awesome, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the Instacart drop was a bust. I wasted like 30 minutes of my time. And now we're doing another dash right now for $6. But the next Instacart drop is at 7 and it is 6:30, so we're gonna try to make that one. Let's get it. Oh, we made it. We made it to the second drop. I just swiped the 51 double. We made some money this morning with DoorDash, and then we missed the 6 a.m. drop. Well, we didn't miss it, it just sucked. But the 7 a.m. drop was fire. So I got a 51. That's what we're doing right now, Let's get it, let's get it. You already know. And just like that, it's daylight. It's daylight. All right, fam, so we just delivered that 51, and on the way back, we got a $6.25 for DoorDash Pete's Coffee. Also, it's 3 miles away. And meanwhile, we are looking for Instacart orders. Let's get it, running it up. Just picked up a Dunkin' Donuts, couple miles away, $5 plus. Let's get it. How you doing, brother? I'm a Dasher. another one. Yes, right here at McDonald's. McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? $6 and some change, 2 miles. We like that. Meanwhile, we're still looking at Instacart. Nothing good has popped up yet. What is poppin', fam? So here's the name of the game right now. We got my brother over this side, right? He's chilling, he's chilling. We got Bella over this side. She's chilling, she's chilling. We got me right here, and we all are waiting for the Costco drop, which is right there. You see that building? That's Costco. Well, that's not Costco, but Costco's pretty much, that is Costco. You know what, just for this video, that's Costco. Nothing at the Costco drop. Nothing 2 hours. For 2 hours straight, nobody's seen anything. And I'm delivering a $28 batch. This is what's happening right now. This is what, I'm mad. All right, fam, so we heating up a little bit. We just swiped the 50 for delivery only. So we don't have to shop this. That is a TAT right there. That's that turnaround time. We don't gotta shop it, but we gotta, oh, I'm about to hit the Tesla. I'm about to hit the Tesla, no! Gotcha, sucker. All right, fam, so we just swiped the $56 batch, but it's so far. 16 miles, 16 miles. I really don't want to drive that far, but it is what it is. On a slow day like this, yeah, I'm gonna bang it out. Let's get it. Hey, what's up, family? Check this out. So I went home, took a little nap. Not gonna lie, we made $190 something on Instacart. We made about $50, a little bit over $50 this morning with DoorDash, and now we're going back to DoorDash, and we just got a $6, 0.8 miles, I believe. Let's get it. Hey, I'm a dasher. Yes, yes, yes. The famous wing stopper, $5, 0.8 miles. Let's get it. And another one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Hey, let's get it. What up, fam? We at the red light right now, and we got another dash. Look at that. It was a 7-Eleven. I don't know if y'all can see that. It was a 7-Eleven, 2 12-pack cans of Diet Coke. That's it. $6 and some change. Hey, yo, didn't even leave the neighborhood yet. You guys know that was the house I just delivered to. Didn't even leave the neighborhood yet. And we got a $5 some change for 2.4 miles. What up, fam? So we just dropped off an order at this random building, but hey, it was a good one. Let's get it. All right, fam, we just got a $4 and some change at McDonald's for 2 miles. So yes, the doors are open. Let's get it though. How you doing? I'm a dasher. How you guys doing? All right, fam, so we just picked up a $9, 6 miles. Let's get it. Classic Chipotle Mexican grill. Let's get it. $4, 2 miles. Let's do this. All right, fam, so this might be the last order of the night. $7 for 3 miles. Let's do it. Bella Pizza. Let's go. Last order of the night. $12 and some change, 6 miles, and we at the Hilton Hotel right now. And